Today guys, I show you how to install any mods in GTA 5, GTA 4 or San Andreas, like cars, bikes, skins or weapons. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. First you need to do, just open your Google and type GTA ALL and open this first site. I show you how to add in San Andreas. The same way is on GTA 5. I show you how to add car. Click here on cars and choose your favorite car. I choose this and go here download and wait for this. After that you will see here click start to download. Click on it and save your file. And you will see this like me. If you don't have WinRAR, just watch this video how to install it. After installing WinRAR, open this file and you will see this. Go here run and you will see mod installer. First you need to do, just select your folder. The same way is on GTA 5. Go here select, find your folder where is your game and go select folder. To add new car, click on this and choose your car like me. And go here install. Make sure your game is closed for installation. After that you will see successful. Now I show you in game. As you can see our new car. The same way you add skin and weapons in any GTA game. I show you how to add any skin. Just go here GTA San Andreas, move here to skins. I choose this skin, go here down, click on download and wait for this. Make sure you close game. Click on download, save your file, open it, click on this blue file, go run and I set this skin for one of these GSF members on this guy and go install. I show you now in game. As you can see guys, our skin is working. And that's it all guys for this video, how to add any mod pack in any GTA game. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.